Hi, lovely people. How are you? Make sure you leave down below. Let me know how your day is going. Welcome back to our family. So, if you read from the title, we will be unboxing the Bijou Beauty Box. Now, this is for the month of August. Yes, August. So, if you want to see why is this box so late and what are my thoughts of the Bijou Beauty Box, then just keep on watching. Alright, before I begin, what do you guys think about my eye look? It's a little different. So, I did a mint green eye look because my boy, El Negs, we were talking one day, last week or maybe 2 weeks ago, and I'm like, you should do a purple eye look because purple eye look is out of his comfort zone. So he did it, he filmed it, and then he goes, well, you need to do a pastel look. And I was like, what you talking about, Willis? Right? Because, you know, I really don't do pastel eye looks and stuff. And then I was like, all right, well, what color? And he said mint green. And it was one of those answers when you ask somebody, do you like this or like this? And they said this. And you're like, why did I even ask? It was like that. And I was like, all right. So for about the next couple days, for like a week probably, I would make excuses all the time. And I was like, I can't do it. It's out of my comfort zone. And he was like, pull yourself together and do an eye look. It's only makeup. And I was like, okay. So this is what I came up with. And I want to show you the palette that I used. I used the OMFG Cosmetics palette. This is their new palette. It's called the Sugar and Sweets palette. And this is what I used. This is the only palette I used to create this look. And I really like it. And then I went in with the NYX eyeliner. It's their Faux Whites collection. And this is in the shade Mint Cream. I have that on my waterline. Alright, so let's get into the Bijou Beauty Box. Alright, so this is a $30 a month subscription. This is like a beauty/makeup subscription. I do have a code justanne in all caps that can save you 20% off of your box. It can be a monthly subscription. If you sign up for 6 months, a year, 3 months, any subscription will get 20% off. I don't make anything out of it. It's just for you guys. So, because of COVID and different things that's going on, I know with the shipping is a little late, and I believe now they ship from the 20th to 25th, so at the end of the month. So you could expect some delays. That's why this box is so late. And I really don't have a big problem with it because Bijou Beauty Box is not typically this late, like never like a month behind. So hopefully, you know, things get better with the mail and everything. So like I said, that's why we have the August 2020 box. Alright, when you open it up, one thing I like about it, she always customs the box. So it always says like, hi Ann or whatever your name is. And I think that is a nice touch. So you do get a card. This is her new logo here. And then right here says August Bijou Beauty Box 2020. And it tells you everything that's in your box and the prices. And it says for this month, my box total retails for $117. So also, before I forget, this Bijou Box is more like a mystery box. So what I get, you may not get. So that's another thing about that. You have to take that in consideration. So I'm just going to show you one of the variations. Alright, so it's taped up. I don't know why the light is looking like that. So let me give you a little sneak peek. That's enough. I just like a little sneak peek. A little foreplay doesn't hurt anybody. Alright, so I'm just going to pull out the first thing that I see. And I know exactly what it is. This is from Illuminati Cosmetics. And this is a lip gloss. I received one of these a few months back in the Slay Glam box. It was a different color. This is more like a clear, sparkly color. The one in Slay Glam box was like a gold color. And I really, really like this. And this is $21. Now, I'm not going to lie, I would never pay $21 for this, ever. But that's why I like subscription boxes. Alright, so it's like a regular doe foot applicator. And when you swatch it, so this is coming off like a yellowish color with sparkles. I don't know what you can see because it's a lip gloss, but I am going to put it on my lips. Okay, let's see. Oh yeah, that's yellow. That's more yellow than what I thought. Oh God, this is not going to go with this eye look. All right, not bad. I actually like it. I really, really like it. All right, so I'm happy to get this in the subscription box. The next thing is from Rude Cosmetics. This is a glow powder. This is the Nymph. If I'm saying that right, it says makeup with an attitude. All right, so this is $8. Okay, not bad. Where is my cutter? I have tried their eyeshadow palettes before, and they're all right. I mean, they're not like my favorite, but they're not bad at all. Another thing I like about Bijou Box, she tends to put a lot of indie brands in there, so I like that. All right, this is the shade Astra Star. I don't know if I'm saying that right, but let's see. I hope it's not this color. All right, and that's the color on the back. Looks like that. So this definitely looks a little dark for me. I'm going to swatch it because I can always put it on my eyes. Oh, it's actually not bad. So it's like a peachy, let me turn you down a little bit. So it's like a peachy highlighter. It's pretty. I'll try it. I'll definitely try it. Do I have a highlighting brush? Let's see. I'll just use like a regular brush and try it and see how it is. It's a little glittery for me. I like more like of a sheen, but let's see. Oh yeah, you could definitely see it. Yeah, it's not bad. Now, typically then what I would do is go in with my Dampen Beauty Blender and kind of push it in so I don't have that, like, you know, strip. But I'll definitely try it. I'll probably most likely, to be honest with you, use it like as a shimmer shade. All right, the next thing we got is from Illuminati Cosmetics. Again, these are gel liners, and you have electric pink and electric blue. I did receive this in another subscription box, I believe Slay Glam as well. So I'm not going to open these up. I'll put this in a future giveaway. So let's see how much this puppy is. Yeah. Oh God, you know when I get these on, and I remember it was expensive, but $42. No way. See, Illuminati is a brand I really never heard of until subscription boxes, and they're very expensive. And I do think they do make good things. Like, I love their lip gloss. I would just never pay $21 for. And these are pretty good, but again, I would never pay $42. That's like $21 a piece for one of them. No, I wouldn't. And they're really pretty, and it's not black, so you have a pink and a blue. I mean, you know, but again, that's why I like subscription boxes. All right, so the next thing we have is Suva Beauty. This is a liquid lipstick. It says glossy lipstick, and this is $14. All right, not bad. And this is in the shade Fictional Reality. Yes. Oh, okay, this is pretty. Now, I'm not going to swatch that. You know what, I will, because I want to try the formula. Usually now what I'm doing, if I get any lipsticks, I am putting it in a future giveaway because I have so many. But I want to try her formula. All right, so that's really, really pretty. Let me know if you have tried a lot of Suva Beauty products and what you think of them. Really pretty. And actually, that lip gloss will go really pretty on top of this. So, all right. And last but not least, oh my God. So, how ironic. We have the OMFG Cosmetics Palette. All right, how much is this? So this is $32. I do have a code with OMFG Cosmetics. I believe it's Ann15. It'll save you some money off. I'll leave it also in the description box. And I really do like their products. I really do. And OMFG doesn't stand for Oh My Effing God. It's something else, and I don't remember exactly. All right, so that's what it looks like. So it has a nice mirror, and then you put it back. Oh, this is beautiful. Look at that. Now, it does have 3 glitter shades, which I personally don't like glitter shades in my eyeshadow palettes. But let's do a couple swatches. Oh, yeah. They really have nice formula for their eyeshadow palettes. They really do. And this is definitely, ooh, like fall vibes. Okay, so we have that. All right, here is, these 2 are shimmer shades, and this is a matte. I just want to see with the yellow. Oh, that's not bad. The shimmer shades, not so good. But I can tell you with these formulas, they do build up. And that's what I rather do. Like, I like powders, like eyeshadows, blushes, bronzer. I'd rather them be like this, and then you can build them up. So, like I said, they feel like the regular OMFG Cosmetics eyeshadow formula. Now, like I said, the shimmers, but once you wet them, they will intensify. Alright, so let's recap everything that we got in the August box. So you have the OMFG eyeshadow palettes. You have from Illuminati. This is really, I do not like the name, but this is really pretty. I love the lip gloss. I really like the formula. We have from Suva Beauty, we have a liquid lipstick. Right there was the lip gloss. We have from Rude Cosmetics, we have a glow powder, which is right here. And I put it on my cheeks. But I'll probably most likely use it for my, whatchamacallit, my eyelids. And what else? Is that it? Yeah, that's everything. So the box is $30. You can also use my code, which will save you 20% off. And the retail value is $117. I definitely like Bijou Beauty Box. I definitely think you get your bang for your buck. And I don't remember any of a time that you really got skincare. It's always makeup. So if you're looking for a makeup subscription box, this is definitely one to look at. Alright guys, so that is everything. Let me know in the comments down below, what do you think of this subscription? Do you like it? Now, unfortunately, if you do sign up for it now, you cannot get August box. You will get the September box. Yeah, and that's everything, guys. Let me know what you think of my eye look. How do I look with the mint green pastel look? Let me know. And that's everything, guys. Please like this video. It really does help me out, and it only takes a second. It'll help YouTube help promote my videos. If you like unboxing, subscription boxes, mystery boxes, makeup in general, then please consider subscribing to my channel. I would love for you to join our family. And don't forget to hit the post notification bell. Make sure you double tap it and you have it on all. That way you get notified for all of my future videos and my upcoming giveaways. Stay blessed, stay healthy, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.